Hello and how are you friends? All of you are most welcome in your loving one person family. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twist. Come on guys with me and let us play in the sand. Later I'll carry you soon in a journey of new story. The strength of together. So now let's go. Clara and her brother Brooks grew up in a modest household, their lives shaped by simplicity and strong family values. Clara, being the older sibling, had always been the protective one, guiding Brooks through every stage of his life. Brooks, though cheerful and full of dreams, often relied on his sister's calm and steady presence for reassurance. When their parents passed away in an accident, the weight of responsibility fell heavily on Clara. She was just in early 20s and Brooks was still in school. Despite the emotional devastation, Clara was knew she had to be stronger for her brother. They moved to a small apartment in the city and Clara took up multiple jobs to support them. Brooks, seeing his sister struggle, vowed to do everything he could ease her burden. He studied hard, excelling in his academics while also helping around the house. One day Brooke came home with the news that he had earned a full scholarship to a prestigious university abroad. It was a dream come true for him, but it also meant leaving Clara behind. The thought of being apart scared him. Clara had been his pillar of strength, and he worried about how she would manage without him. When Brooke hesitated to accept the scholarship, Clara sat him down and said, "My brother, you have always been my strength. I took care of you when you needed it, but now it's a time for you to soar. We are a team, and even though we may be apart, the bond we will share will never weaken. Our strength is our togetherness, no matter the distance." Moved by her words, Brooke accepted the opportunity, realizing that their bond transcended physical presence. Year passed, and with his success, Brooks was able to bring new opportunities for Clara as well, fulfilling her dreams just she had done for him. In last, moral of the story is the strength of family lies in the unbreakable bond of love and sacrifice. True togetherness is not defined by proximity, but by the unwavering support and courage siblings give each other, regardless of the challenges they face. With a smile, I will say all of you, I love you. Goodbye, good luck. I'm your soul fan, Tales and Twist.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.